Now these videos are in reference to the binomial theorem. Binomial, two terms, and we're looking at raising a binomial to a given power. Now if this power is just squared, you'd normally use FOIL. If we go to a higher power like cubed, then we'd have to multiply x plus 2 times x plus 2, work out that answer, and then times that by x plus 2. If this was an even higher power like 8, then you'd have to repeat that process several times. So there's a quicker method for doing it, and we're going to use what's called Pascal's triangle to help us do that. Now if you've not seen Pascal's triangle before, how it works is like this. Notice all the ends are ones, and to find the other numbers you just add the two previous numbers together. So the next number would be 6 plus 15, which is 21, 35, 35, 21, 7 and 1. Notice also it's the same forwards as backwards, and that we're going to be using that fact a little bit later. Now if I've got a question like 3, what I do is I look for the row that starts with a 3, well certainly after the 1s, as they all begin with 1s. So I'm going to use this row here. Now when I'm going to produce my answer, I'm going to have 3 parts to my answer. The first part is the number from Pascal's triangle. The second part is I use the first term and then I use this power here. So I have x cubed, and then I go just decrease the power until I get to the end where I get to the power of 0. The third part of this is I use the last term. But this time I go the other way around in terms of power. So I go 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 squared, 2 cubed. Also notice for each term, the two powers, when you add them together, give you the power in the question. 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, and so on. Now anything to the power of 0 is just going to be 1, so actually these two terms are both going to disappear and we're just going to get x cubed. And that's actually always going to be the first term, just this term actually raised to that power. 3 times 2 to the power 1 times x squared. It's just 6x squared. 3 times 2 squared is 12, times by x is 12x. And once again, these are all 1s, so 2 cubed is 8. And actually the last term is also just the last term raised to this power. And we'll look how that works with some other questions as well.